Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm so excited because finally we are going back at Christian Dior. So if you want to see very beautiful Dior bags like the saddle bags, Lady Dior, Micro Lady Dior, plus their new collection, guys, please make sure you watch until the end of the episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Seaching Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, also unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at PremierFi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so for our next adventure today, guys, let's go to Dior and let's see if I could film inside, but let's have some fun! Alright, so we are already here at Dior in Greenbelt, Makati. So before we go in, let us appreciate and check out first the very beautiful window display. So what do we have here? So always very beautiful window display at the Dior men's section. Love the styling here. Honestly, I would wear these pants, this coat, and even this very beautiful top over here, this knit sweater. Love, love, love the Dior logo. So right now we're on queue, so while waiting, let's check out the display in front of the store. So we have some shoes here, then we have some saddle bags for men. Ooh, look at those trunk bags, looks very interesting, but then again, I'm not a fan of that Christian Dior logo, the one that looks like diamonds. So we have some saddle bags, some duffel bags over here. So more eye candy, so beautiful styling here. So I love this print. I love this giant Dior print here. Love, love, love. So we have more Dior sneakers, more of the saddle bags, more eye candy. So we have the classic Lady Dior. We have the Dior book tote, very interesting print. We have the Lady D-Joy in neutral colors. I love the black one, super cute. Then we have also again another book tote. I think this is the new collection. OMG guys, this is the first time that I'm seeing a micro Dior bag. So this is the Dior Caro, super cute. So let's check out more what they have. So the Dior Caro. What do you think guys of the Caro? Is it a good alternative to a Chanel flat bag? So again, a comparisons of the micro Caro bag with the regular one. So we have here the Lady Dior with the diamond canage quilting. What do you think of this bag guys? To be honest, I love this style. It's very edgy, very me. I love the size of this Lady Dior. If I would be choosing a Lady Dior for my collection, I believe this would be the style. If I'm not mistaken, the size of this one is medium. So we have here very beautiful summer colors for the ready-to-wear women's section. This would be a perfect everyday bag guys. So for only 368k. Also love the beautiful beige color. Love the size, to be honest. Love this Lady Dior bag. So just checking out the women's section. So we have Lady Dior, we have some shoes, some ready to wear. Love these fall colors over here. Guys, are you a fan of these trendy Dior bags? Honestly, me, I would not be getting this one. I would just go straight to the Lady Dior's. So we have some Dior sandals here. What do you think of this logo? I'm not a fan of that one. Looks like a snout.
This one looks good. I love the Velcro thingy. So we have something in heels. OMG guys, so 215k for a micro Lady Dior bag. Just look at the size, so cute. What do you think guys? These look so yummy. So what do you think of this Dior slides guys? Anyone a fan of this one? So more Dior slides and eye candies for you guys. Dad sandals. This one I really like. I actually like the Dior logo here. It's a little bit smaller compared to one giant Christian Dior on the front of the sandals. So like this one, leopard print. 215k for a micro Lady Dior bag. Just look at the size. It's almost the same size as my Fendi micro baguette. Super cute, but I won't be able to place anything inside of it. So just checking the ready to wear section. Some very beautiful Dior sneakers here. Unfortunately, wasn't again able to try these kinds of sneakers. I'm not really sure if they're really me, but they are beautiful. Dior Shoe Porn Heaven starts now, so let us enjoy this very beautiful spread that we have here. I like actually this color combination. So we have some loafers with the Dior logo here. A little bit more formal for you guys. So they also have some Dior leather shoes. Some lace derbies. Ooh, love that one. Super cute. So we have here more Dior gorgeous babies. Let me know guys, which one are you liking so far here? So we have Dior roller pouch for 100k. So what do you think of this bag guys? Honestly, I've been eyeing this for a while now. Should I get it or I don't know, just stick with the classics? Dior Shoe Heaven. So we have high cut sneakers here. Cute colorway. Ooh, this black one is gorgeous. Love. Some Dior sandals. Love the style. Ooh, love this one. Feels very comfortable. More beautiful Dior shoes for you guys. Hi guys, so we are just finished with Christian Dior short but sweet episode, but let me know what you think. So now we have the micro Lady Dior bags, the micro Caro bags. They're super cute. Let me know what you think guys.
There, did you enjoy our shopping episode for today guys? So let's have a conversation and please let me know among the selection of the Dior bags accessories that I've shown you for today, which one is your favorite? Me personally, I am so drawn to the micro Lady Dior. It's my first time seeing it and I know I won't be able to put anything inside it, but OMG, she is just so darn cute. So hope you enjoy our shopping episode for today. Again guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in today's shopping episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!